In this episode, we test fit a new throttle body, clean out the LS after some serious garage dust, swap to a low-profile oil pan for clearance, and figure out a new way to get the engine into the Miata.
Heart of metal, lungs of flame. Build it quiet, they called it insane. Little body, too much soul. Every scar just made it whole. Didn't sleep, just turned the key. Talking engines, they talk to me. Every sound, a memory of what I was and what I'll be. They said I'd never.
I had to remove the intake in order to jerry-rig this to lift it. This is the old oil pan. Look at that. And then, so this is the old oil pan. This is the new one. There's like a big difference. So basically this much smaller. And now I had to install the new pickup tube that comes with. I purchased this on Amazon, just a generic one. But I had to cut this notch. I don't think it was necessary overall if I had waited, but I did not want. Let me see if I can switch to turn the light on. So you see, just for that corner right there, I went a bit longer just in case, and now it clears perfect. So that's where we are now, and we are going to attempt to install the new oil pan. So I'm gonna have to put you down here.
Heart of metal, lungs of flame. Build it quiet, they called it insane. Little body, too much soul. Every scar just made it whole. Didn't sleep, just turned the key. Talking engines, they talk to me. Every sound, a memory of what I was and what I'll be. They said I'd never get it done. Too small, too slow, I made it run. Now every night the city hums, and I smile when the thunder comes. It's alive when I breathe. 8 hearts under me. You don't know what it means till you built your own dream. Out of low, sound deep. Let the demons fall asleep. Did it all, couldn't fake. Now the ground starts to shake. Rust and fear are what I change. Cut them off, forgot the pain. Underneath the silver sky, I swore this car would never die. Took my time, I had to learn. Every failure made it burn. When the spark met gasoline, I became the in-between. Oil and blood, they mix the same. Everyone needs a little pain. Didn't ask for luck or grace, just the road and empty space. It's alive when I breathe. 8 hearts under me.
Okay, so we got the fuel lines out of the way. We have managed the brake lines to stay out of the way as well. Over there, that one goes to the back, then it splits into two. This one goes to the front passenger, that goes to the front driver. Now we are basically almost in the clear to start rolling the engine in. We're missing a couple things here. We're missing an M10 1.5 here for the engine mount. We're missing the oil pressure sensor, I believe. Okay, so what we're gonna do today, hopefully, is roll all of this into here, and already started on this, just put one to hold the side rail, the frame rail reinforcement thing in place. And I'm gonna do that on both sides, but I wanna do it with the transmission in, just in case I misalign them by mistake. Even a small distance can make a difference. Tightened the suspension bolts and nuts. Installed the yoke in the back because made a mess, a lot of fluid came out. So I need to keep that into the notes. And something else showed up, a rear differential, Ford 8.8 355. It's a good thing they included this because I would have never even looked. Nah, I'm kidding. I'm gonna open this up, change the fluid, check for damage, all that. So that's something to figure out. Let's get rolling. We're gonna roll this right into here.
Let the demons fall asleep. Did it all, couldn't fake. Now the ground starts to shake. Lights blink slow, red and white. Shadows race beside the night. Every mile a quiet scream. Every shift another dream. You don't feel it, but I do. Every echo something new. This machine remembers pain, but it loves the sound of rain. I'm not fast, I'm not loud. I'm just something you can't drown. Every doubt I turn to sound. Now I own this piece of ground. You thought I'd stop, you thought I'd fall, but I became the engine's call. It's alive when I breathe. 8 hearts under me. Didn't think I'd make it real, but the fire's in the steel. Out of low, sound deep. Let the old go sweep. Now they know, now they see. It's not just a car, it's me. Idle low, stay with me.